1-year update on this ReadyWig hair. Now, this video got hella love on my channel, so I decided that I was gonna bring it back for you guys one time to tell y'all how it's been going and give you updates on it, because I know I had people asking me questions about this hair, where I got it from, etc, etc. Was it really nice, da 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 da, and I want to answer those questions and also just give you an update on how it's looking and all that good stuff. So make sure that you give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and we're just gonna get right into this video. So I got this hair about, I want to say February, March of 2019. It was sent to me by ReadyWig and picked it out myself and everything. I have a code and everything that you guys can use to get money off if you decide to purchase this wig. I really like the wig. First time me opening it, seeing it or anything, I recorded that video. Make sure you check it out. It'll be up here. I recorded and everything. I show you guys me opening it, my first time applying it to my head and everything. So all that information on the first impressions are in that video, and I explained everything in detail in that video, but this is just how it's looking. So since then, the curls have dropped. I don't wear this wig every day because obviously it's a synthetic wig. It's not a wig that you can put on every day. But the second time I wore it was to an event, and I have pictures somewhere on here, and I wore it and the curls were still bouncy, and this was about either a month or a couple weeks after. I'll have exact dates and everything on the screen for you guys, and the hair was still bouncy, it was still soft and everything. Like, I was loving it. I looked good. It had me feeling good. And then I stopped wearing the hair for a while up until summertime. And in the summer, I wore it to do my Megan Thee Stallion makeup look, which I recorded, so you guys saw this hair again, and you will see me post pictures from that video. I wore that hair. At that time, the hair had lost a lot of its curls. So I wore it the first time I got it. I wore it again to that event, and I wore it again the day after the event. So that's me wearing it 3 times. So by the 4th wear, it started to lose its curls, and it was looking more like this. It still had a little flow in it than this, but it wasn't giving me the same look that it gave me when I first opened it. So the curls had dropped. Obviously the curls were way more tighter when I first got it, but I feel like because it was so tight, when it dropped, it didn't look bad. You know what I mean? So when I wore in that video, it was a little like matted, so I had to really comb through it. This is the comb I used to comb through it, and it worked perfectly. Got it right. I was allowed to record the video and everything, and I was good. Second time me wearing that wig, I believe, was in my fall smoky eye video, which was months after. So when I'm not wearing it, it stays in the box that it came in, which is, if you watch the first video of me showing you guys this wig, it came in that little black and pink box that said ReadyWig on it. That's the box I keep it in. I don't really do nothing to it. When I apply the wig, I apply it with glue. That's about it. That's all I really do to it. So in that video, you saw me wear this wig again. At that time, it still had bounce and curls to it. Now, it wasn't like this. Right now, the curls have dropped so much, but I still like it because, like I said, this is such a good synthetic wig. Like, even when the curls are dropping, it still looks nice. It's still pretty soft, even though it's tangled in the back, but once I comb through it, it's like, you know, that's it, that's all. So like, it's tangled and everything, but it's still wearable, and this is over a year. So I wore it about, let's see, 6 to 7 times. This is probably my 7th time wearing this hair, and it still looks good in a year period. Like I said, it's a synthetic wig, so I can't wear it for like every day, weeks at a time, because then it's gonna get, you know, worn out. So far, me wearing this hair for about 7 times. Each time my hair looked really nice. The curls have dropped. It got a little matted, but it still looks good. So I expect it to get matted. It's a synthetic wig. The hair isn't real. I expect the curls to drop, but like, for a synthetic wig, this is so good. It is very good quality for a synthetic wig. And if I were to recommend a synthetic wig, I would recommend this one, just because of the quality of the hair, how long it's last. From my experience of having this wig for a year, I can say it is worth it. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see like how the back is looking. And the reason why I say this is such a good synthetic wig is because normally like the back of the wigs are so flat and like you can see like the tracks and everything, but like this synthetic wig, I've been wearing it and no tracks. It's still pretty full and thick, and it gives me that like natural hair, human hair vibe, even though it's not. So I would recommend this for a synthetic wig. And overall, if I were to rate this hair today, I would still give it a 10 because it's just bomb. Like, and I get so many compliments from this hair every time I wear it. People think it's a human hair, and I'm just like, nah, it's synthetic. It's synthetic. You know what I mean? I ain't mean to lead you on, but you know, it's synthetic. You know what I mean? But like, it's really, really good quality, and I would recommend it. And trying to see what else did I forget to mention about the hair. Oh, shedding. So in the original video I told you guys that it didn't shed at all, even after like cutting my edges. And I continuously cut these edges because the old ones get missing and then I gotta make new ones. That's another thing. Like, the hair is so thick that I really lose edges that I cut prior, so I just keep cutting it every time I wear the wig. But that's a me thing. But when it comes to shedding, this hair does shed. Like, once it gets tangled, that's when the shedding starts, which also I still rate it as a 10 because it's like, it's a synthetic wig. I do expect it to tangle, and when you're getting rid of the tangle, I would expect shedding to come. So all that is just things that I expect. Maybe that may change your opinion or your experience on the hair, but overall it's bomb. It's worth it. But thank you guys for watching. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and as always, remember to be beautiful and love yourself.